In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink in Microsoft Word. Adding hyperlinks to your Word document can make it easy for readers to access websites directly from your document, enhancing both its interactivity and functionality. Whether it's for a project, a business report, or even your personal resume, this small yet impactful skill is going to elevate your document's usability. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to have Microsoft Word open on your computer. If it's not already open, let's get that set up. Begin by clicking on the Start button on your computer, the little Windows icon at the corner of your screen. Once you've clicked that, you're greeted by the Windows Start menu, a hub from where you can launch any application installed on your computer. Here I want you to move your attention to the search bar. It's quite intuitive, just type in Word, and watch as your computer efficiently brings up Microsoft Word as a top search result. It's almost like it knows what you're looking for. Click on Microsoft Word to open it. Once Microsoft Word boots up, you're faced with various options, including a plethora of templates for many purposes, reports, resumes, you name it. However, for our purpose today, let's go simple and create a blank document. This acts as a clean slate for us to work on. Now that we have our blank canvas, let's talk about how to actually add those hyperlinks. Navigate your way to the Insert tab on the ribbon. The ribbon is that area at the top of your Word document that houses all the tools and functionalities that Word offers. It's essentially your toolbox for everything you might need while using Word. After clicking on Insert, you should locate the piece of text in your document you'd like to turn into a hyperlink. Maybe it's a call to action such as contact us, or perhaps a direct link to a resource or website you're referencing. Whatever it is, highlight that text with your cursor. With your text selected, it's showtime. Look for the link button within the Insert tab. It might display as an icon symbolizing links, typically represented by a chain link icon, or simply say link. Once you click on it, a new dialog box pops up. This box is where the magic happens. In this dialog box, you're prompted to type or paste the URL, that's the web address, that you want to link to. Take your time to ensure you're linking to the correct URL. A typo here could send your readers on an unexpected journey, so double check that address. Once you're confident it's correct, hit OK to seal the deal. And just like that, you've created a hyperlink in your Word document. It really is that simple. The text you selected should now appear underlined and typically coloured blue, signifying that it's clickable. Hovering over or clicking this link will take you or your readers to the website or resource you've linked directly from the Word document. A few parting tips before we wrap up. First, always test your links before finalizing your document. This ensures they lead where you expect. Second, consider the readability of your document. Overusing hyperlinks can make a document look cluttered, so use them judiciously. Lastly, keep accessibility in mind. The text used for your hyperlink should give clear context about what the link is about or where it leads. This is not just good practice for ease of use, but also important for readers using screen readers due to visual impairments. There you have it. You've just learned how to add hyperlinks in Microsoft Word, making your documents more dynamic and interactive. This functionality opens a world of possibilities, whether you're creating an academic paper, a business proposal, or any document that benefits from external references. Remember, mastering Microsoft Word is all about exploring and getting comfortable with these tools at your disposal. With hyperlinks under your belt, you're one step closer to creating professional, functional, and engaging documents. Thanks for tuning in, and happy hyperlinking!